Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to log out of Facebook on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you manage to do so? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. In order with you to log out of devices on our Facebook account, we need to go to it. Then click on the bottom right corner of the menu. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Meta Account Center. See more in Account Center. Here we click on Password and Security. Select Facebook. And this is where we get our profile that we've ever logged in from. As you can see, I'm currently using an iPhone 11 Pro, and it also says iPhone 11 Pro. We can go in and see when we logged in, what date at what time, and so on. If you have different devices here, you'll have maybe more, and you want to log out from some of them. You click Select Devices to log out. You select any device. It's an iPhone, a MacBook. There's some kind of phone, Android. Click and click Log Out. And then you can log out on absolutely any device, namely iPhone. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.